So I haven't had time to be able to get a video out this week. I've been busy fencing all last week because I borrowed the tractor post knocker there off a friend of mine and he wants it back, so I've had to get this done. And I've still got some more fencing to do. So that was one thing. And then our hot water and central heating system packed in. And this heat store here was leaking internally, filling up the cylinder, and it was overflowing everywhere. So I've just been on replacing that for the last 3 days up in a sweltering loft. So I'll show you the new one that I fitted. So this is what I've been up to the last 3 days, fitting this here, this big heat store. And there was lots of pipes that weren't in the right places, so I've had to do a lot of plumbing. As you can see by all the old bits where I've chopped bits of pipe off and then had to buy a load of fittings. I've been doing all the pipe work around here. So that's what I've been doing for about the last 3 days. So it's all working now. I've just finished it today and it's Saturday today. So I'm looking forward to having a shower because cold showers aren't very fun. So I just thought I'd give you an update on what I've been up to and why I haven't managed to get a video out this week.